Okay, let's explore the swap demo blueprint. So initialize and expects to receive 2 tokens and the multipliers, the proportion, the rate between the tokens. It checks that you're actually, adding those tokens, and also expects to receive a deposit. Also on the swap, it also expects to receive a deposit of one of the tokens and a withdraw of the other token that you're swapping into. And it has a view method for checking the ratio between the tokens, and has some class for common fails, common errors. So let's see what we can do here. So I'm gonna go and initialize it. You're gonna see that it has a lot more fields because it expects to receive, the tokens, the multipliers, all the parameters that are defined here. So I wanna, token A is gonna be HCR. The playground already has some predefined tokens here that you can use. I'll initialize with 1-to-1 just to make it easier for us. If I try to initialize it, you're gonna see that it fails and indicates that invalid tokens. This one is from here because it expects to receive a deposit of both tokens that you are initializing. So I'm gonna add a deposit for HTR. Yeah, you can add any number. A deposit for token A, which is the other token that I'm trying to initialize. And now I'm gonna execute it, and again, now it does go through. Created this contract. Now I can try and execute a swap. With swap, you basically do a deposit and a withdrawal. First, let's swap 100 to, let's put a different token here and see what happens. So if I try clear this, if I try here, it says invalid tokens because again, it's swapping to the wrong tokens. But if I put token A here, it should go through. It does have that is ratio valid that you can try different ratios and see if it's right or wrong. And yeah, that's basically it. You can again, the swap function, it does a lot of checks. So if I try to do 2 deposits by accident, even with the right tokens and the right amounts, it's also going to be invalid actions, whereas here was invalid tokens and valid actions now because it's missing a withdrawal. So yeah, that's it.